A serious infestation of rats is no joke. Apart from the smell and the mess, they've caused quite a lot of damage. I figured a professional solution was the only answer with an infestation this bad. I've used the Ultra Power Block Bait Rodent Killer Kit. It's a tough bait box that comes with the bait already inside. So all I had to do was to find the best place to locate it, close to where they're getting in. The bait's easily reached by the rats thanks to the two-way entry, but it's impossible for any other animals or pets to reach it. It's a one-feed bait, so it works quickly. I'm lending it to my neighbour next because now he's got a problem with rats too. He'll be able to add fresh bait. You just have to unlock it with the special key and slot fresh bait blocks in. It got rid of my rats pretty quickly. I hope he finds it as successful on his infestation. The Big Cheese, pest control, problem solved.